Welcome back, I'm Quinn, and today we're going to be taking a look at installing Java on a Linux. So now the first thing that you're going to want to do is go into your start menu. I'm running Linux Mint here, so it might be different for some of the other Linuxes. But anyways, on Linux Mint, you got this little bar here. You're going to want to go to the software manager. So click on that. You'll be prompted for your password, which you enter, and hit enter. Alright, so now this will take a second to load. Okay, so now that we're in the software manager, the first thing that we're going to want to do is go to programming. Alright, so for me, I've been using NetBeans just because it was a little bit smaller than Eclipse, like the download was, but you can use Eclipse too, I'm sure. It's probably pretty much the same. So just double click on NetBeans. We're just going to use NetBeans for now. And then here you can kind of see the basic information and everything, people's reviews and everything, which is pretty nice. You get a little preview of what NetBeans looks like. So then you just want to click install. So the install shouldn't take too long, like you see here, it's just a couple seconds. Alright, so once it's finished installing, you want to exit out of this. And then you want to go into start menu and go into the programming category, and there should be your NetBeans. So you want to click on NetBeans. It'll take a minute here to load up. Alright, so now that you're in this screen, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to this little plus envelope button up here in the top left hand corner, and you want to click on that and the new project button. Alright, so now you want to have the Java category selected and the project as a Java application. So then you click next, and then here you name what your project is. So we're going to say hello from Java. Alright, and then you just click finish. So then you should get this screen. Just to make sure that everything works, you want to click the run project or F6, and we get a build successful message down here at the bottom. So that means that everything went well. So now to make this a hello world project, because it's not saying anything, it's just built correctly. So the next thing that you want to do is hit enter right here in the public static void main class here. So then you want to type capital S and system dot out, and then print and an LN as in line, and then you want to have your parentheses and your quotations, and then inside your quotations you type hello world exclamation mark, and then at the end of that you put your semicolons. Alright, so then you press run project again, and right here we get hello world. So it appears that everything is working fully functional here. The really nice thing about Java, it's the same across every platform. So I mean, across Windows and Linux and Mac, the compiler is still the same for every OS. So that's really nice. With C++, I've noticed that it has a slightly different compiler when you go from Windows to Linux. So, I mean, you gotta play with it a little bit to get fully functional back to what you had. But this, it's already fully functional, which is really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it helped you out, or if you liked it, be sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments about running Java on a Linux, you know where to leave them. And feel free to subscribe. We appreciate every subscriber. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Fun and out.